Hey everyone, welcome to this Canva ebook templates tutorial. If you're looking to create an ebook with a professional design but don't have design skills, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through how to create an ebook using Canva. Plus, I'll show you how to use Canva's ebook templates to make the process even easier. Alright, first things first, Canva is a free online design tool that lets you create stunning visuals without needing advanced design skills. You can create everything from social media graphics to presentations, resumes, and even ebooks. Now, the ebook feature in Canva is really just a set of beautifully designed templates that allow you to put together an entire digital book, page by page. Whether it's a lead magnet, digital product, workbook, or guide, Canva's drag and drop interface makes it super simple to design your ebook from scratch or by customizing ready-made templates. So down here you can see the different plans available. There's Canva Free, Canva Pro, and Canva Teams. So Canva Free is for designing or working on anything. There's Canva Pro, which is for growing your brand or passion project with premium features. Then there's also Canva Teams, and this is for teams to create together with premium workspace tools and workflows. So you're going to have to choose the plan that best suits your needs. Alright, it's time to dive in. So you go to canva.com. If you've already got an account, you can log in here, but if you don't, you can simply just sign up. Here are the different sign-in options. You can continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or continue with your preferred email, or perhaps continue another way. So let's go with continue with email. Once you've typed in your email, you click continue, select a name, and then you continue. So a code's going to be sent to your email. You just type in the code and that's it. So we're on the Canva dashboard now. And this is what you see once you've signed in and selected your account type. As you can see here, we selected the personal account type. There are different types, so you select the one that best suits your needs. Okay, so over on the left-hand side, you see a couple of options. You see a main menu with a couple of options like a home, project, templates. This is where you can find your previous designs, organize your folders, and explore different types of templates. And then over here, so right in the center, Canva gives you quick access to different content types like docs, whiteboards, presentations, and the rest. Let's go ahead and search for an ebook template so we can start building our own. You can easily find an ebook template by coming here to the search bar and typing ebook. And once you do that, you see ebook template, you select it. So now that we've searched for ebook templates, you notice that there are lots of different options to choose from. Some are free, like this one and this one, while others are part of Canva's premium plan. But for this tutorial, we're going to use a free one. Alright, so you can choose a template that matches your style or brand. For this tutorial, I'll pick a clean and modern template to work with. So you can click on the one you like and it'll open up in Canva's editor with all the pages laid out. So let's choose one. Let's go with this one. Let's select it. So choosing the best template is a crucial step because your template sets the foundation for how your entire ebook will look and feel. So just think of it like picking the right outfit for an important occasion. You want something that reflects the purpose and tone of your content. So whether you're creating an informative guide, a storybook, or a professional ebook, your template should align with the message you're trying to convey. So choose wisely. So this is the one we've chosen. Up here you can see the cover page. So this is the first thing your readers will see. So it's important that this cover page captures their attention. And then down here you can see the rest of the pages. You can use this button here to look at the rest of the pages here. To begin customizing your ebook, just click on customize this template. So this is the Canva editor. As you can see, the interface is clean and super user-friendly, and it's got everything you need to bring your ebook to life. On the left-hand menu, you'll find a variety of options. So you've got elements, you can add icons, shapes, illustrations, photos, and you've got text. You can find text boxes and font options. Then you've got brand, uploads, tools, and the rest of them. So it's a really nice interface. Right, so if you've already got your own images, so this is where you go to upload your own images, logos, or other files that you want to use in your design. And then down here is where all your saved designs and templates are stored, so you can easily pick up where you left off. Right, so first, if you'd like to edit the the image, you can just click on it and then you see an option to edit it. So here are some features. So some are in the Canva premium version. Down here you can see some filters, some effects, and the others. And then some other features here, the image. So if you're done editing the page and you like to duplicate it, this is where you do it. If you'd like to add another page, you can also use this feature here. Then just by the side here, you can also change the color. If you want a different color, you can just change it here. Different colors for you to choose from. So just choose the one you prefer. And you can even add your brand colors if you've already added them to your Canva account. Then for the text, you just click on the text. And then if you want to change the font, you can come here. You can see there are lots of different fonts to choose from. So you can see some different types here. So if you want to change this to a different one, you can simply just click on it. So let's assume you want to use open source. Just give some time to load. All right, so that's what it looks like. But no, we're not going to go with that. So let's just take it back to the way it was. Okay, so this is actually better. But if you want a different one, you can easily just come here and change it. If you would also like to change the font size, make it bigger or smaller, you can change it here. So you can see there are different font sizes here. Just choose the one that works best for your design. Here you got color. So text color can also be changed here. You can also add your brand colors. And then you've got the bold, italics, underline. Then you've got for alignment, lists, and other features here. So let's change the text a bit. Let's try to customize it. So I've changed the text a bit. So let's make this a bit smaller so it fits in. It looks nice. Okay. And you can also change the subtitle here if you like to write something else. All right. So let's assume we want to get rid of this image here. So we can easily just click on it. If we want to change the color, we can change it. But if we don't want it at all, we can easily just delete it. So let's see what it looks. So this actually looks better to me. Now that that's out, so you might want to bring this to the middle a bit. You can easily just move it. Okay. And if you want to get rid of this thingy here, you can easily just click on it and delete it. So it all depends on what you want. So Canva just gives you the freedom to customize your ebook the way you would like it to be. All right, so this is for our cover page. Now let's go to our next page. Okay, so we can change this to introduction instead. Highlight it, change it to introduction. Great. And if you want to reduce the size, you can easily do that here. Just make it a bit smaller and move it a bit like this. Great. All right, so that's for the first page. The next, maybe this next page, we can just call it table of contents. All right, since we've called this page our table of contents, we could create a list view here. Yeah, so just click on it and then create a list view using this. Okay. All right, so you can see that the points are not bulleted. Or if you like numbers instead, you can still click on it and then it changes to numbers. And if you like to make it bigger, just zoom in so you can see the text and then you can start including your table of contents here. Next, you've got the fourth page. So you can choose a different title for it. So if you want to add a heading here, you can easily just come to text, then select heading. It can be a subheading or this one. You can add a heading if you want it to be big like the others. Just add a heading here. Then take it higher, just to the top here. Then you can start typing. And you can do the same for all the other pages here. So if you want to change the view, you can easily just come down here and change it down here. So this just gives you like a clearer view of all the pages. If you want to just see everything all at once, you can use this view. Then once you're done, you can still go back to the way it was. If you'd like to add another page, you can simply come to this plus sign and add it. Or if you just like to duplicate a page so you don't have to start designing a new one, you can easily just click on the page and then you select duplicate. And if you want to delete the page, you can easily use this feature. So once you're satisfied with your ebook and you'd like to share it or download it, you can easily just come here, select share. If you want to get a link, you can use this. You can even manage the access to the link using this feature here. And then if you'd like to download it, you go to download. Here you can see the different versions available. There's JPG, PNG, PDF standard, and this is the suggested one. It's best for documents and emailing, but if you'd like to print it, you can use this option here, and then there are other options down here. All right, then if you just like to have like a full view of what your ebook looks like, you can come to see all, and there's an option here to present. So just select present, okay, and then you click on present, and you're gonna get a full view view of what it looks like. You can look at all the pages. Yeah, just see how it's going to appear when your viewers use it. While you're editing, if you want it to look bigger, you can come here and just increase the size. Yeah, you can make it as big as you want to or as small as you want it to be. Yeah, so these are the interesting features you've got on the Canva editor. And if you'd like to create your own ebook from scratch, you can easily just come to templates and then search for ebook and select create a blank ebook cover. And that's going to take you to the editor where you have a blank page and you'll be able to do whatever you'd like to do on the ebook or with your design. Yeah, so you can easily just use any of the tools here to create your ebook from scratch. So once you're done, you can come to project and you see the ebook you were creating. You can keep editing it or just perhaps download it again if you'd like to do that. So this is the ebook we were creating. And that is how you use Canva ebook templates. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.